Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of my channel, that is Rituja Ki Pathshala. Myself Rituja Nirwan. In the previous lecture we have seen regarding the aggregate function, what is mean aggregate function, what is max aggregate function, how to use it, where you can use it in your different scenarios according to the requirement of your client or your manager or the company wherever you are working. So this is it guys. And now in the today's lecture we are going to see the sum aggregate function. Okay. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the aggregate function already written, and there are 5 types of aggregate function. Now in today's lecture we are going to see what is sum aggregate function and how we can implement it. For that, firstly we need to fetch one of the table from our database. Now I will fetch my table named as employee details. Okay. Now semicolon. Now select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, as you can see on my screen, there are the few now columns present inside my table, and data also present inside that. Okay. Now what I need to do, what is sum aggregate function and how we can use it. Okay. So what I will do, I want the sum of all the MGR values which is present inside my table. Now what I will do, if my requirement is like this, now I will write select sum, and then I will write the column name, that is MGR. Okay. Now from my table name, that is employee details table, and semicolon. Okay. It's very important to give the semicolon for the good coding practice guys. Okay. So please select this piece of code and hit the execute button. You can see my MGR sum is 53388. Okay. Now as I have not given any kind of column name here, so it is showing me no column name. If I give the column name here, that as, if I give as total MGR value, okay, semicolon. Now select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see, you can see the total MGR value, the column heading as I have given here in the inside the that is inside my code where I have written total MGR value, and this is the total value. Okay. Now again we will take one of the example. Please go to the original table then, and you can also recheck if you want that. If see what is showing the 53388. Now if you want to see that is it correct or not, you by the manual calculation you can add all these numbers present in the 7 records. You will definitely get the value as 53388. If you want me to do it, I can also do it in front of you guys. So we will be sure that is it giving the correct output or not. Now my first value is 7698. So let's do that. Okay, plus my second value is 7898. Okay, my third value is 7788. Okay, my fourth value is 7656. My fifth value is 7171. My sixth value is 7734, and my seventh value is 7443. Okay. See, 53388. This is the total when I have manually tried to calculate it. And if I select this piece of code and see here, so see, as you can see, the total is absolutely correct. Okay guys. Now go to the original table again, and we will take one more example. If I want to do the sum of all the employee or say department number, if I want to do the sum of all the department number, then what we will do? And we can do it in the numeric column only. If I try to do it in the string column, then what will happen, that will also see. Select sum. Now department number as we will give the column name as total department number. From employee details. Now again additionally what I can do, I want the total of the department number, okay, whose I can say the MGR value is, or whose salary is greater than 60,000, let's say 67, okay, whose salary is greater than 67,000, okay, let's add this condition with the where clause, where salary is greater than 65,000, or let's say 60,000. Okay, 600, semicolon. Now the magic is that, guys, here in the sum aggregate function you can use the where clause as well. Okay, you can use group by also, having clause also. Okay, we are going to see it in the further lectures very soon. Now select this piece of code and hit the execute. I hope you understand this. What I have written, that is select. Now I want the department number total, so I have done the sum aggregate function written here, and column name as, now I want to give that column name as total department number from employee details, because my table name is employee details. Now I have put the condition here where now the salary is greater than 60,000. So select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, I am getting the total as 80. Okay, now if you want to recheck it, just go to the original table, hit the execute button. Now my salary should be 60,000. So first record we can't get it. 75,000, yes, greater than 60,000, so 30. Then okay, 20, 30 plus 20, 50. Then greater than 60, 50 plus 20 again 70. Then again we can tell, and this one is 80. So we are getting the value as 80. See this one. Okay, now again go to the original table. Now if I try to add the this string value columns, then what will happen? Is it working or giving the error? We will also see that. Now what we will do, select sum of e name. We will try to do this from my table name, that is employee details. What will happen? Let's see what is giving me the output. See, operand data type varchar is invalid for the sum operator, because sum aggregate function, mean aggregate function, or max aggregate function, or average or count, every aggregate function will be working with the numeric data type, that is where the numbers will be present. We can't do it with the string data type. Okay, so this is the out, means I want to show you that if you tried this, if you will be stuck in between, so you will definitely get this error, that is operand data type varchar is invalid for the sum operator. Okay, now please go to the original table, hit the execute button. Now again, if I want the employee number, if I want to do the sum of the employee number whose department number is 20, let's say, what will happen? So select now sum of my column name is employee number from employee details, my table name, where I am putting the condition department number equals to 20 and then semicolon. See, select this piece of code. Now what I have written here, select. Okay, then I have written sum of employee number, because employee number column I need the sum from table name, that is employee details, where I put the condition where my department number from all this should be 20, means it will only fetch the column like this one and this one and this one. It will only fetch the three of the columns whose department number is 20, and it will give do the total inside it and give you the output. Okay, now let's see what is it. Hit the execute button. See, I am getting the total as 22059. Okay, now if I go to the original table, my original table 22059, hit the execute button. Now see, I am getting the department number. Again we will do I will again I will again go to this one, and I will like to show you that what is happening. Okay, now my condition was where department number is 20. Okay, here department number is 20. So what is the employee number? 7656. So let's do it. 656 plus. Now again department number 20. This one. Now its employee number is 7171. 71. Okay, plus. Okay, wait guys, wait a minute. Sorry for the interruption, guys. I think it is charging. Oh wait. Apologies guys for the interruption. Sorry. Okay, so what we were doing to employee number 20. So we have done that up till now. What is what we have done? See, 7656. Okay, plus 7171. This second employee department number as employee number as 717. Now again we need to add 7232. Okay, plus 7232. What is the addition? 22059. Now just select this piece of code and see is it same or not. See, 22059. Okay, so you can cross check as well, is it going correct or not. So this is all about that is sum aggregate function. In the coming lecture we are going to see guys what is the average aggregate function and how we can use it, and the different scenarios. Guys, if you are able to understand whatever I am teaching to you, you are able to you are liking my teaching style, then please go to my channel and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get each and every notification whenever I am posting any kind of video into my channel. And if you are facing any kind of issue while performing it at your end, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out guys. And if you are need any kind of improvement, you want that this concept should be betterly explained, or this concept you want any kind of particular concept need to be explained by my end, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it guys, and I will definitely come back with the very good video with it. If you are having any special kind of request at my end, so that you Rutuja, I want to understand this concept, so I will definitely look into it. Okay guys, and guys, if you need any kind of career guidance into your career, then please you can also comment it out. I will definitely help you out guys. Now thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.